How to turn off your camera sound on Samsung phone. Sometimes when you're taking a picture, you don't want people to know that you're taking pictures. So this method can help you to turn off camera sound on your Samsung phone. So what you need to do is launch your camera. And here, go to settings. Under settings, you can see the swipe shutter button too. If it is on tick burst shot, then there is the high chance that your camera will make sound when you're taking pictures. So you may just tap on the create GIF option. Another way is just turn on your volume option, and here you can see the three dot, tap on it and turn the media option to the very list and mute your phone or mute your phone. Doing that not only turns off your camera sound but everything on your system, but this method also most likely helps to turn off the camera sound on your camera sound when you're taking pictures of others. So in this way you can turn off camera sound on your Samsung phone and click pictures without others knowing. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful.